How to deposit crypto into your Toobit wallet. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. In this video, we are going to learn how you can easily deposit crypto into the Toobit wallet quick and easy. First of all, open your Toobit application on your smartphone and log in. Once you're logged in, go ahead and tap on the Assets button at the bottom right corner and inside Spot, tap on Deposit. This will open the deposit screen where you can choose which cryptocurrency you want to add. Pick the coin you want to deposit. I'm just going to tap on BTC. Now on the next page, there are multiple networks. Choose the correct one. Make sure to choose the same network your sending wallet uses. After you do that, you will come across this deposit wallet address. You'll see your Toobit deposit address and a QR code. You can copy the deposit address by tapping on the copy button right next to deposit address, or scan the QR code using your external wallet or exchange app. Once you've copied your deposit address, send the crypto from your external wallet. Open your sending wallet or exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or MetaMask and select Withdraw or Send option. Paste in your Toobit deposit address in it and choose the correct network. Enter the amount to send and confirm and submit the transactions. Once you do that, you'll be able to make your deposit on Toobit. You can return to your Spot wallet to see the updated balance. So that is how you easily deposit crypto into your Toobit wallet. Now your funds are ready for trading, investing, or holding. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.